In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend WordPress with custom post types and custom fields using pods. This is a fantastic way to enhance the functionality of your WordPress site by allowing you to add bespoke content that goes beyond the typical blog post or page. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, head over to wordpress.com, your starting point for everything you need to build and manage your website. Once there, find and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you'll enter your credentials. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. If you're not familiar, the dashboard is essentially the command center for your website, where you can manage all aspects of your site's content and design. From the dashboard, look for the Plugins option in the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will open up a new selection. Here you will see an Add Plugin button, which you should click to proceed. Adding plugins is a crucial step, as it allows you to integrate additional features and functionalities that WordPress doesn't natively include. Next, use the search bar to look for pods, custom content types and fields. This is the tool we'll be using to extend the capabilities of WordPress by adding custom post types and fields. As you type the name, the search results should narrow down quickly. Once you see the correct listing, click on Pods, Custom Content Types and Fields in the results. Following that, you'll need to install the plugin. Look out for the Install button and give that a click. Installing plugins in WordPress is straightforward, but make sure to wait a few moments for the installation to complete. Once installed, an additional button should appear, allowing you to activate the plugin. Ensure you click on Activate, as this will enable the plugin on your site. With pods activated, you're now all set to begin creating and managing custom post types and fields on your WordPress site, allowing you to tailor your content exactly how you want it. This can range from cataloging various products, showcasing portfolios, or any specialized data you intend to present. Remember, experimenting with these features can truly unleash your site's potential, enhancing both the user experience and content management. This concludes the process for today. Don't forget to explore other plugins and their descriptions for additional functionality. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel more empowered to customize your WordPress site. Thanks for watching and happy editing!